Hi, may I help you? Oh, okay, you're my 1 o'clock. Okay, well, come on in. You say you need the couch? Yeah, sure, we do couch sessions. Huh? What'd you say? Oh, no. Everything you say here will be confidential. You don't have to worry about your business leaking out. Now, unless I get subpoenaed by the courthouse, baby, and I have to go down there and testify against you, I'm going to have to let all the folks know what you've been growing on your nails. But today, we're going to find a cure for that, okay? Yeah, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. So come on, let's start the session. All right. Okay, let's get started here. First thing you're going to need here is a little jar like this here. It's a squirt bottle. You can go find one of these here from Dollar Tree, Walmart, or anywhere else. You just find your little squirt bottle, okay? All right. I have this here little thing here. You don't have one of these here, you're going to have to get it in there the best way you can. Get it how you get it, baby. You're going to also need this here. This is 100% tea tree oil, okay? Make sure it's 100% tea tree oil. You can find tea tree oil just about anywhere. In your beauty supply stores, you can find it online on eBay. You can find it on Amazon Prime. You can find it at these nail supply stores, wherever, you know, just about everywhere sells tea tree oil, okay? The next thing you're going to need is alcohol, okay? And it must be 99%. It has to be 99% alcohol. Anything less than 99% contains water. We don't want any water mixed in this here because we all know water is what really causes fungus. Water helps the fungus grow, all right? Okay. So now in my little jar, what I'm going to do is open it up. And I'm going to add some alcohol to this jar. After I add the alcohol, you're going to get your tea tree oil. Okay? Now, tea tree oil does not have to be this brand, but as long as it says 100% tea tree oil. All right? And you're going to take a couple of drops of that and just add it to your alcohol. I'm going to do about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Close it up. Shake it up. Okay. You're going to add this here to the affected area. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the infected area, okay, with some antibacterial soap, all right? Clean the affected area very well. Make sure it's dry. Don't leave no water, whether you have the fungus on your nails or whether you have it on your feet. Don't leave no water on it. Make sure it's completely dry before you add this, all right? You're going to spray this here on the affected area after you have made sure the area is clean and dry. You're going to do this here 3 times a day, all right? And you're going to let it air dry. Let it air dry. And I guarantee you within a week, you're going to see your fungus clear up. And if you continue to do this here, you won't have to have that problem anymore. Okay? All right, guys. All right, so that just about sums it up. I hope whatever I gave you was beneficial to your little fingers there. Huh? What you say? Oh, no, sweetheart. We can't kick it no more. This is it. I got a 3 o'clock appointment rolling in. All right, so I'm going to need you to bounce up off my couch and roll on up out of here, player. All right? Okay, until next time. I'll see you. Hope your little fingers get better.